Next question. The stock of the Sony PLC is selling for £50 per common stock. Common stock means equity share. The company then issues right to subscribe one new share at the rate of £40 for each 5 shares held. Then we have been provided with few questions. I want you to answer me the first and second question. First question is like this: what is the theoretical value of the right when the stock is selling X right? So the question says that what is the theoretical value of the right? That is a question. Chalo, please write and answer the question. Working note number 1. Calculation of market price of equity share after right issue. In that we understand shares, market price and value. 5 equity shares. For that, the price is provided to us as 50. So it is 250. The question is providing the information that you can subscribe for one equity share for every 5 shares held. And what is the price at which you can subscribe it? 40. So we understand that you will have the value of 290 for 6 number of shares. So the price per share would be 290 divided by 6. That comes to 48.33. That is what we understand is the price of equity share. Please write an answer. However, the first question is about the value of the right. Write an answer. Value of right is equal to market price after right issue minus offered price divided by number of shares. The price at which you can purchase the security is 40. Market price after the right issue is 48.33 divided by 5. Why? Because based on 5 equity shares holding you will get that. So 48.33 minus 40 is 8.33 divided by 5. That comes to 1.67 rupees per share. That is the way we are required to calculate the answer. Second part of the question. What is the theoretical value of one share of the stock when it goes X right? So the answer of that we already have found over here. It is 48.33. Write an answer of the B question answer. Market price of the share after the right issue is pound 48.33. Okay, this time it is pound provided. C question. What is the theoretical value of the right when stock sells X right at £50? So the question says that if at all there is an expectation that the price of equity share will be £50 after the right issue, then in that case what would be the theoretical value of the right? The question says that what is the theoretical value of the right when the stock sells X right at 50 pound. It means that we have to understand if at all there is an expectation that the price of equity share will increase to 50 pound after the right issue, then in that case what would be the value of right? Okay. Chalo, write an answer. Value of right, comma, if there is an expectation that price per share will be 50 pound after a right issue. In the breakdown, market price of the share after a right issue minus offer price divided by number of shares. So it is 50 minus 40 divided by 5. That comes to 2 pound per share. Next, John speculator has pound 1000 at the time Sony PIC goes X right at 50 pound per common stock. He feels that the price of the stock will rise to 60 pound by the time rights expire. Compute his return on his 1000 pound if he purchases Sony PIC stock at 50 pound or buys the right as the price computed in part C, assuming his expectations are valid. That is the question. Go through the question, all of you. Let us see that the question says that there is an investor or a speculator has 1000 pound with him. At the time Sony PIC goes X right at 50 pound of common stock, he feels that the price of the stock will rise to 60 pound by the time the rights expire. Compute his return on 1000 pound if he purchases the stock at 50. It means that's a simple what he is doing. Say he is purchasing the stock at 50 and he will sell the stock at 60 when the price increases. Okay, that an answer. Calculation of profit or loss if security is purchased at the rate of 50 and sold at the rate of 60. Sale value minus purchase value. We have been provided that say investment is made of 1000 pound. So in purchase I am writing 1000. In sale I am writing 1000 divided by 50, that is the purchase price, into 60, that is the sale price. So in that case it is 20 into 60, that comes to an amount of 1200 minus 1000. So there will be a gain of 200 pound. Please write an answer. Next, in that B part of the question, he purchases the right as the price computed in part C. You can see that say in the C part we have computed that say what is the value of the right. The value of the right, I think it is £2. Assuming the price expectations are valid. So in that case what happens that we are required to make calculation of value of a right, comma, if price is £60. Listen carefully what we will do over here. Market price of the share after the right issue minus offer price divided by number of shares. Market price of the share after the right issue is, we understand at say 60 minus offer price is 40 divided by 5. That comes to 20 divided by 5. That comes to I think £4 per share. What does it mean? It means that say you initially purchase the right to subscribe for the shares at the rate of 2. Okay. You made a purchase of the right to purchase the security at the rate of 2. Now by the time the right expires, so that value of the right increases say to 4. So what happens that the difference of both of them is the amount of the gain that you will make. So here the profit will be calculated as, we understand that say 1000 was the price that say you paid say to purchase the right. Now that value of the right is increasing to what? To 4. It means that say the value of the right increases to 2000 from 1000 and you make a gain of 1000. This is what we understand. So this is the way we can make the profit of rupees 1000. Chalo, write down answer further. Over here we understand that investor purchased right to purchase security at the rate of rupees 40, when expected X right price was rupees 50, pound 50. Full stop. At that time value of right was £2. Full stop. By the time right expires, there is an expectation that price will be £60. So value of right increase to 4 pound, full stop. Hence, there is a gain of 1000 pound.